Alright, today I'm going to assemble a air manifold block. So I've got some parts. These are all female quick disconnects. These are 1/4 inch, and they're going to match up with our 1/4 inch here. This is a 1/2 inch, and this is a 3/4 inch. So I'm going to be reducing this so that this can fit into our connector in the wall. I'm going to be fitting all these into here, and then I'm going to have one left over, which will go into the other, what could be an inlet, but I'm going to be using it as an outlet. So I got this 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch reducer, and now I just got to throw it all together. So always make sure that you wrap clockwise with the thread facing you. That way when it threads in, it will thread in clockwise. And this is just regular old plumber's tape. And these are 1/4 inch thread by 1/4 inch quick disconnects. And these are sleeve lock. It's pretty much what we use universally here. There we go. So that is the guy. So this is what we were replacing. So we had one line going in, so we had all these air lines, and we just had to fight for a position. So I'm going to take this off and put that new manifold on. So this is the reason that I started with a 3/4, because this valve has a 3/4 inch thread on it. There we go. You got one left over. Check for leaks. Back in business.